We have completed our chapter, so let's look its book activity. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blank. In India, one of the reason for discrimination and inequality is the attitude, poverty, diversity, and caste system. So the correct answer is caste system. D. This discrimination means discrimination means putting other people down. Putting other people down. Indian Constitution was enforced on 26 January 1950. D1. 26 January 1950. Dash was awarded the title Father of Nation in India. Now, who is the father of nation? That is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is father of the nation in India. Fill in the blank. Dash is the value that has to be sought continuously. That is equality. 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 Discrimination is dash in action. Discrimination is prejudice in action. PREJUDICE. Prejudice. Dash fought for the rights of untouchables along with महात्मा गांधी. महात्मा गांधी के साथ अनटचेबल्स के लिए स्ट्रगल किसने लड़े थे? दैट इज बी आर अम्बेडकर. डॉक्टर भीमराव अम्बेडकर. Poor people are treated badly because of their dash state situation. Poor people are treated badly because of their economic situation. ECONOMIC. Economic. Now state whether true or false. Discrimination does not exist in India. False. Discrimination exists in India and in fact in all over the world. India did not adopt any religion as a state religion. Yes, that's true. There is no religion of a state. Every religion is equal in front of state. Poverty creates discrimination and equality. False. Poverty does not creates equality. Poverty creates discrimination and inequality. So this statement is false. There exists discrimination on the basis of caste system in India. Yes, discrimination on the basis of caste system still exists in India.